What we're going to be doing is showing you what the Sculptable Squeegee is all about. Your Squeegee. Unwrap. Discard. Comes in a non-removable blade in black for your shower that hangs on top with a flexible rubber handle like so. Simply place on top and let hang. If you're placing it where the glass is at, it'll rest on the glass and allow you to open and close your glass. Please make sure it stays straight. Great for showers to clean by moving the dirt, the water, and debris. So if you're looking for a squeegee to take the water off, even on the tiles, and cleaning in an easy step. From Sculptable, here's the squeegee with the flexible arms all around, a solid piece of metal inside made of rubber that hangs on top or anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your Sculptable Squeegee for your showers, windows, and more.